I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of Laketown Wharf 2118. Got tile floors, and you don't often see runners in these units in the hallway, but they like their throw rugs here. This is cool. Nice decor in here. Love the color of those lamps. Got your laundry here, stackable, and then you got a curtain, privacy curtain here, and built-in bunk beds. This bunk they actually put up a little bit higher than I normally see, which is kind of cool. Gives the person down here a little bit more headspace. Second bathroom, all original. New water heater. Owner's closet. Carpet in the living room, but as you can tell, on the 21st floor, the ceilings are higher. And you get that extra window up above your doors, so it brings in just a little more natural light. Pros and cons of being on the top floor, Alice?
The cons, I guess, will be the elevator ride. That could be the longest. But the pros is the view.
The views are definitely the pros. The con I was thinking of is you usually get visitors on the balcony, and I'm not talking about Spider-Man.
That's true.
But let's see if there's any birds out here today. Nope. I don't know why, but the birds tend to like hanging out on the top floor railings or the furniture. But my goodness, what a spectacular view you get from the 21st balcony. Completely unobstructed. Some of the lower units, people complain about Sunbird, which is that building right in front of us that might block the view. But what a phenomenal view of the Gulf. So pretty. So I want to show the ceiling height one more time. If you compare in the playlist some other tours we've done at Laketown Wharf, you'll see a lot of units where it's still a generous size ceiling height, but in here it's, I want to say,
Extra 2 feet.
an extra,
Trestle is.
yeah, maybe, I'm going to go with 18 to 20 inches. Just, like The Price is Right, I'm going to undercut you. All right, that wraps up this one. Little spur of the moment cell phone tour of Laketown Wharf 2118?
It's
18?
2118.
18, all right.
18.